Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you top 3 complete golf set. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 3. PGM 27-piece men's complete golf club set, right-handed, RNA and USGA certified with driver, woods, hybrid, irons, PS, wedges, putter, head covers, and golf bag, black. Size, loft 8.5 degrees to 12.5 degrees. Golf club flex, regular. Hand orientation, right. Golf club loft, 10.5 degrees. Material, graphite titanium lined. Brand, PGM. Shaft material, graphite. Golf putter lie angle, 59 degrees. Grip material, synthetic rubber. Professional golf club certification. Officially certified by RNA and USGA, this golf set meets the strict international standards for professional level golf equipment. The certification guarantees compliance with the highest performance and quality requirements, ensuring golfers can play with confidence in both practice and competition. Designed for men golfers for right-handed. Crafted specifically for male players, the complete golf club set features regular flex graphite shafts for balanced performance, optimized grip sizes, and advanced club head engineering. Each golf club is designed to deliver explosive ball speed, straighter shots, and enhanced forgiveness, helping men golfers swing with confidence and control. Complete 13-club configuration. The golf set for men includes everything needed for full course coverage: driver, 3, 5 fairway woods, 4H hybrid, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 irons, pitching wedge, sand wedge, and putter. Each golf club comes with a protective head cover, plus a durable stand bag for easy carrying and storage, perfect for full course coverage from tee to green.
Number 2. Callaway Golf Strata Complete Golf Set. Size, 12-piece Strata. Brand, Callaway. Color, silver. Golf club flex, regular. Hand orientation, right. Material, alloy steel. Shaft material, alloy steel. Item weight, 12 pounds. Golf putter lie angle, 72 degrees. Grip material, rubber. The Strata 12-piece men's is designed to give you maximum performance right out of the box for more confidence from tee to green. The lightweight 460cc forged driver, fairway wood, hybrid, irons, and putter make up a set that provides a great combination of distance, forgiveness, and control, and is very easy to hit.
Number 1. Callaway Golf Strata Complete Golf Set. Size, 9-piece Strata Intro. Brand, Callaway. Color, silver. Golf club flex, regular. Hand orientation, right. Golf club loft, 10.5 degrees. Material, alloy steel. Shaft material, graphite, steel. Golf putter lie angle, 72 degrees. Grip material, synthetic rubber. Complete set. Includes driver, 5 hybrid, 7 and 9 irons, sand wedge, putter, stand bag, and 2 head covers for comprehensive golfing. Driver, lightweight 460cc forged design with large sweet spot and titanium head for maximum distance. Oversized fairway wood for long, high-flying shots with ease. Hybrid for difficult long irons, providing versatility and control. Stainless steel irons for a combination of forgiveness and control. Mallet putter with alignment for accuracy.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.